Mark the beginning of Child Abuse Prevention Month. Advocates and state officials in Harrisburg today talked about the importance of expanding support for Pennsylvania children.
Advocates say a major component of that support is to create the Office of Child Advocate. Erie News Now State Capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon is live from Harrisburg with what the office would do if it is created through law. Good evening, Brendan.
That's right, Mike and Eva, good evening. So Pennsylvania is actually one of just 12 states that has not yet created an independent office to advocate on behalf of its children. Grand juries and joint government task forces and reports have recommended this office for over 20 years, and now advocates are hoping that some momentum throughout the month of April will help bolster its creation.
Protecting children from abuse and neglect is a shared responsibility, and each one of us must play our part to help keep kids safe.
This month, advocates and officials are raising awareness to fight child abuse while also ensuring the voices of children are heard.
They want you to hear them, to see them, to believe in them.
Youth advocates who've experienced foster care or congregate care say the state can do a better job addressing the needs of each child.
Paperwork and case numbers do not define who I am, do not define who we are.
To better serve children, dozens of states have created an Office of the Child Advocate.
One thing that's done within these offices in other states is there's a direct phone line, a direct email line, a way for youth to get in touch with an advocate that is not working within the system that they are feeling they need to speak out against.
Commonwealth Child Advocate Marianne McAvoy says other states have shown success with similar offices. She says it would provide independent support for children who deserve to be heard.
There are a team of professionals situated regionally throughout Pennsylvania to pick up these phone calls, to hear from children, and to know that they can stop in and sit down and talk with them and hear their stories and what's happening.
And now there is bipartisan support to create this office here in Harrisburg. Republican State Senator Michelle Brooks and others are in the early stages of crafting a bill that would create it in the Senate. Similar efforts are taking place in the House as well. For now, reporting live at the state capitol in Harrisburg, I'm Brendan Scanlon for Erie News Now. Mike and Eva, back to you.
All right, Brendan, thanks for a closer look at that. And throughout April, the state capitol will be lit blue in recognition of Child Abuse Prevention Month.
For more information on how to report suspected abuse, head to our website, erienewsnow.com.